Hey everyone, good morning. This is John with the Digital Growth Community brought to you by B.O.S. Solutions. I'm your blue collar problem solver. And like I've been telling you the last couple weeks, that I'm going to have a free guide and a program that shows you what you need to inject this value into your current business or start a new one. And I apologize, I only got a black and white printer, but this is the, the program, and it's called the Blue Collar IV System, Instant Value. It's like, you go to the hospital, you need blood or your medicine, they inject it and it instantly starts working. And that's the basis for what I'm trying to bring to you as a professional business owner in your niche, your area, to help you provide additional assets and additional value to your existing existing business. And it's you're already solving problems for people. Why not put that into a system that brings that additional value to them and reoccurring income for you in the future? You know, and I'll outline some of the stuff that this is going to do. Teaches you how to extract the value already into your trade, convert into a digital leverage. This is operational monetization, and you've got the work ethic, the repeated problems, document documented solutions. That's your digital asset. The result, reoccurring revenue. So what you're asking is, what do customers ask you repeatedly? What mistakes do you constantly fix? What processes do you follow every time? What do beginners in your trade struggle with most? So these are some of the things that you can provide and help your customers and clients have some knowledge and help them out. Maybe this solves some of the problems and they are going to value you. They're going to be like, I'm going to so and so for this problem because he's got it outlined how to go about fixing it. And this is going to bring you leverage in your own business. And here's the program overview. Module one, the leverage problem. Identify where income is capped by time. Module two, the instant value audit. Uncover your hidden digital assets. Module three, the IV packing system. Turn solutions into guides, SOPs, and digital products. Module four, attachment strategy. Add digital assets to your existing services for your customers. Module five, the compounding engine. Build systems that generate recurring revenue. And this is what the legacy program does for you. But I have broken it down, and so you know how you can implement it. This is online education. It's an investment in yourself. That is what this program is doing. You got the skill, you get the system, you have the asset, distribution, recurring revenue, and a predictable scaling path. And this is, I'm trying to imply to you what the four programs with the legacy program do, because the four programs, the Launchpad, Passive Daily Pay, Digital Mastery, those are the advanced strategies. And that's what I tried to break down for you. So you're like, oh, what is this? Well, these are the strategies you can implement, but I have broken it down into the tiniest parts. So it's easy for us to vision and what it does for you. And just so you are clear on this, if you're seeing this for the first time, you get the resale rates after your initial investment in the legacy program. After that, you're off and running. Any income you occur goes straight to you, nobody else. And the four programs you get with the legacy program is a total of $900. It's a $2,000 value, but you need to know how to implement it. And I'm going to provide this program on my Shopify page, bosssolutions.myshopify.com. And you will be able to break it down and do this for yourself. That's what the program is about. And you're asking, who is this for? Well, it's for skilled trade professionals, contractors, service business owners, technicians, blue collar entrepreneurs. That's what I am. I'm the blue collar problem solver. So, anyone with repeatable experience, and you're the expert in your niche. That's you're solving problems for people consistently. So you can set up a system to do this and help them along. And just think about this. If you stopped working tomorrow, would your knowledge still make money? If not, you don't have a skill problem. You have a leverage problem. The full blue collar IV system shows you how to extract, package, and attach your value so it compounds. So, are you ready to build your instant value system? The blue collar IV shows you how exactly to extract, package, and attach your value so it compounds. Inject value, extract leverage, build recurring income. That's the basis of the program, and that's gonna be offered to you free. The rest is up to you. It's just like if you say I'm going to the gym, but if you sit in your car and don't go in, you're not really going to the gym. So you got to take the first steps forward. So if you got extra couple of hours a day, you can make this work, and it will work within your business. So you don't have to go get another part-time job or whatever. But you do this, you are going to get other income sources. And you can go to my website, legacywithyou.com, get that free guide. But you can also go to my website, bosssolutions.myshopify.com, and it's going to be available here shortly. We're just getting all the um, quirks out, and it'll be on the website for you. So please take a look at it. I hope you have a great day. Pray for all the military members in harm's way. But take care.